Good evening. Well, we're out again on a bit of a different permission, close to the other one. What were your signal on there? A nice signal?
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously you've not got the box, have you? But you didn't look into ears,
No.
obviously.
Always clean the shovel off.
Yeah. Right. You stay us over that, what you pulled out.
Buckle.
What is it? Oh, you got a buckle.
Yep.
Better than a ring pull.
Yep.
Eh? Right, on to the next one then, eh? Happy days for you. Second hole for him. Tell you what, your high frequency coil's playing havoc with me. It really is. Still in hole?
Coal.
What is it?
Coal.
Bit of coke. Hold on. Yeah. Bit of coal. Obviously you can't see numbers, you see, can you? I'm going to get that cut down for you, that spade as well. You want me to dig it for you,
I think it's in the side there.
Is it? Right. Right in there, is it? Is it here? I'll dig it.
Yeah, you dig it first, please.
I'll dig it for you. Try that. Use your pinpointer.
I think I've got it anyway.
Have you?
Yeah, lead.
Lead? Yeah, well, lead always gives off a decent sound, doesn't it?
Can I go check down there?
Yeah, lead. What? Down its stream?
Yeah.
Last hole, Zep, because it's getting dark now. In fact, what time is it? It's 10 to 5.
Alright.
Tell you what, you can smelt barley on here. Use your pinpointer, might make it easier at this. Spin it dark.